So I actually go to nail school at night, Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, I just love, art, and I want to do it on everything possible. I do CNC Laguna, so that's basically I take our pieces and I cut them to either specific lengths, or I'll cut, different shapes into them. The other side of my job is I'm also a beam finisher. I am also a mom, so yeah, a lot of my day is, work and then going home to be a mom, so. But I've never felt like I couldn't do this job and be a mom. I used to work in a daycare when I was pregnant. It was tough, I can tell you that, mentally. But having, a bunch of little babies, pulling on you, needing you all day long. I also didn't know if I would have like the mental capacity to work with babies all day and then go home and, take care of my own baby. So I definitely wanted like a change. Here, I could at least like kind of just have some peace and quiet, I guess. It's actually one of the best jobs I've had, working and being a mom. If I ever needed time off because, she's sick or anything like that, it's never been, an issue. They've been always super understanding. I love that I get out at 12:30. Even though it's tough getting up at, 3:30 in the morning, I do it every day because that was very important to me. I wanted to be able to still experience things with her, so I can get out at 12:30 and, go take her to the park and go get ice cream and don't have to worry about like not doing those fun things with her. You still get to have your whole entire day working here. I've never worked at a job where I felt like important and felt, appreciated until I came here. I would say 100% give Saint-Gobain a shot. It's awesome. They have taught me everything that I needed to know. My dad has been trying to get me into this place since I was 16. And I remember always just being like, no, that's just too manly for me. I can't do that. I can't lift heavy things. I want to do something girly. No, don't do that. Like I said, don't put yourself in a box. Don't say that you can't do something because you're a woman. We can do everything a man can do. We could probably do it with high heels on, so. At least definitely try, because I did, and I'm very happy where I am. My name is Tyra Barry, and I am a manufacturer.